Yeah, this project demonstrates a simple web app for zero shot text classification using Python libraries like Streamlit and Transformers. User can enter text and potential category labels in comma separated form in this box as I've shown here. And then the app utilize a pre-trained zero shot classification model from transformers, which happens in the back end. The model predicts the likelihood of each labels being relevant to input text. Streamlit displays the classification result, making it easy to understand the model's prediction. So in the front end, these stuffs happen like I'll start out with an example so that you could understand more relevantly. So yeah, I'll take a sentence from the suggestion given below. Again, I'll do the same here. So this is a sentence which is Sandeep can play cricket very well, which comes under sports category. So the labels which I've given are education, politics, business, and sports. I'll hit enter and see what this is being categorized to. So yeah, the prediction has been, the score is being shown here. The this categorizes this sentence to sports. So the score approximately 99 percentage it's given to sports. So we could categorize it to sports. So in the back end, I have previously explained about the transformers and the streamlit part and sentiment analysis. So the same thing has been happened here. You know, yeah. Coming on to zero shot classification, text classification. In simple words, the back end. During training, the model learns to compare the encoded text representation with the label embeddings. It doesn't require labeled examples for each specific categories. Instead, it leverages the inherent relationship between words and concepts within the pre-trained model. So, in the output, the model assigns a score to each labels. I'll show you. So these are the scores what I'm speaking about, uh, and then indicating the likelihood of that label being relevant to the text. The score is based on the similarity between the text representation and the corresponding label embeddings. So these are the label embeddings and then the text given over here. So that's what it is, and then in the back end these models are trained on a massive data set of text and code in multiple languages. This allows them to capture general relationship between words and concepts, even if they haven't seen those specific words before. So, like it is more generalized. So, about transformers, I've previously explained in simple words. I'll tell you this is a specific neural network architecture designed to sequence tasks like machine translation or text summarization. It excels at capturing long range dependence between words in a sentence. So yeah, here coming on to the code part, the pipelines I've explained previously. I've mentioned zero shot classification. No models have been mentioned here. If you want to mention a model, you could, uh, you know, model equal to and then a double quotation, and into it you can specifically mention a model what you want to, and then run it and rerun it again. Here you could specifically run on the model what you like to. So depends on the requirements. So yeah, and then that's it about the back end. uh, yeah, this classifies you based on the labels you give, categorizes in general from layman's point of view. So that's it about the project. Thank you.